Antigravity connects to GitHub via the built-in MCP Model Context Protocol server. This allows your AI agent to create repositories, push code, manage branches, and more using natural language prompts. Step-by-step guide. Open Antigravity and go to the agent panel, right side. Click the 3 dots in the top right of the agent panel. Select MCP servers. In the MCP store, search for GitHub. Click the GitHub MCP server and select install/connect. Generate a GitHub Personal Access Token, PAT. Go to GitHub, Profile, Settings, Developer Settings, Personal Access Tokens, Tokens, Classic. Click Generate New Token. Give it a name, for example, Antigravity MCP. Select Scopes, Repo, Full Control, Workflow, Optional. Generate and copy the token immediately. GHP, key. Paste the token into the Antigravity GitHub MCP setup dialog and click Connect. A green indicator shows successful connection. Test it. In the agent chat, type list my GitHub repositories or create a new repo called my project and push the current code.